Hi, I'm Kev from sonsofkane.com. This week, Chris came up with a great idea. He was watching some films and he see Drunken Chair. So we've looked at it, we've adapted it, and this video is Drunken Chair. As usual, me old mate Chris.
I don't know why you think we're friends. So all I did was looked at the body motions and thought that is ideal for cane situations, especially if you've got limited mobility and limited strength. So what we've done, as we've always done, we've played with it and we've adapted it. And Kev, the genius that he is, has come up with a few chair techniques.
So here we're looking at the first technique. I've got the cane. I'm going to angle the crook slightly so that it goes into the hip. The reason being, if I keep it straight, it gets hooked in my pocket and it's quite funny. So I'm going to angle it slightly in. Chris is just going to come, he's just going to do a loose grip to start with. I've got two hands on the cane. So my first motion is rocking forward. I'm then going to go clockwise with the cane, rotating my hips at the same time. Chris will give me resistance. I'm going to go anti-clockwise. When I get to here, I've got the choice of grabbing the thumb, coming over for a wrist lock, but on this technique, we're just going to come over, pull back, push forward. So all you're doing is going 1, 2, up and through. And it's just that drunken motion of like being at sea. So you're bringing all your core in, your shoulders, your chest, your back, and it's just a nice forward and backward rocking. He's not sure exactly where I'm going until the last second. That's technique 1 in a chair. Now Chris is going to do it standing up.
So with this one, we're looking at, as we said, it's a various applications, other little things that we've used. So it's a little bit from here, here and here. So as I'm bringing the cane up, it's been grabbed. We have this circular motion one way than the other. This is not a new technique. As we're doing it, we're rocking our body. So as I'm going this way, my body is going with it. But also, as well as going this side, I'm going this way as well. So I'm almost giving my top half of my body a figure of 8, or I'm giving this a figure of 8 at the same time. So when I've got the grab, it's coming through, but I'm rocking. So my angles are constantly changing, so it's very disorientating for the person holding the cane. So without the cane, you're kind of just doing this kind of loose motion, but it's coming all the way through the body. So with the cane, it's a short, as you can see, this is tight, but it's not a huge motion. It's a short motion, but I'm generating much more force and technique by allowing my body to do the work and not the cane.
On the first part of this video, I'm going to grab the cane, just to show you what it's like from a seated position. So I've grabbed the cane, I'm in line with Chris, I've grabbed the cane because I want to use my right hand to give him a smack.
Yeah. So normally we would just do this and this. But what I'm doing is I'm turning, I'm rocking, I'm twisting, and I'm giving this whole rotation there. So there's 3 rotations going on. There's one here, there's one here, there's one here, but this is remaining stationary. So I'm pulling, turning and twisting my body all at the same time. I'm letting him have a loose grip on this because otherwise I'd have broken his wrist by now. If you grab hold of something, it's worse as well. The key point to this is keeping this in tight and then rocking. So it does look like you're kind of Captain Jack Sparrow really, if you've ever seen Pirates of the Caribbean. Yeah. It's literally that motion.
We're going to bring Callum in now, so you can see how the rocking motion takes a person that's standing off balance.
So this would be the normal technique, rotating one way, then the other. It's still effective. So this is only going to be about 10 to 30% power. So as I'm rotating, I'm kind of... Could you see what happened to his foot? If he gets a tight grip, he's going to give me a tight grip, but I'm going to be very, very restrained on this. So rather than being loose, as I'm doing this turn, the tighter he grips, the more force I'm propelling through his body. If he has a loose grip when I do it, he's not moving as much. So get into this idea that as this is moving, your whole body is just rotating, and then you can come through. I would do a hung arch right from here. Depending on your distance, depends on what you're going to do.
Thanks for watching, guys. We hope you like. The comments we've been getting are fantastic. Keep them coming. And don't forget, guys, share this around. We really want to build this channel up.
If you haven't done so already, please subscribe, please share. If you're watching on a casual, please subscribe and give it a share as well. That's much appreciated. We hope you enjoyed this video, but we do not advocate the use of alcohol whilst training. Kevin. As always, please hit that notification bell and free the fear.